Hello everyone and welcome to Shorthand Pro. If you are looking to get the job of stenographer, then you are at the right place. Hit the red subscribe button and the notification bell. You are the first to know when I upload anything new. Get yourself ready for dictation. The dictation will start after 5 seconds. Consequently, any presumption of extraterritorial application of the fundamental rights under Part 3 of the Indian Constitution must be regarded as inconsistent with both the letter and the spirit of the Constitution, as well as with the established norms of public international law. The right to freedom of movement and residence within the borders of a state is enshrined in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, as articulated in Article 13 subsection 1, while Article 13 subsection 2 further affirms the right to leave any country and return to one's own. The first provision is explicitly circumscribed to the internal movement within the state's boundaries, while the latter is predicated on the recognition of a citizen's entitlement to exit and re-enter their home country, a right of paramount significance in the international legal framework. However, the declaration, in its foundational context, does not extend this right to extraterritorial freedom of movement or confer a right of freedom of speech or assembly beyond the borders of the state. This limitation is mirrored in the American Constitution, where the right to freedom of speech or expression does not extend extraterritorially. While there is a de facto presumption of unrestricted domestic mobility within the United States, the right to travel abroad is not absolute, and the government imposes conditions such as the requirement for a passport. A passport is, in essence, a licentia exire, serving not as a literaria commendationis but as an official request from the US government to foreign nations to allow the bearer safe passage. It is noteworthy that the US Department of State limits the use of passports to countries with which the US maintains diplomatic relations, underscoring the concept of pacta sunt servanda in international law, where the government's duty to protect its citizens extends only as far as its diplomatic reach. Thus, even within the ostensibly unrestricted realm of American liberty, the right to travel abroad is subject to legal constraints. Moreover, when examining the scope of the First Amendment, one discovers that while it guarantees freedom of speech, press, and assembly, these rights are confined within the territorial limits of the United States. Stop.